Hello everyone, Divakar sir here, 9th class Commerce Studies. Today I will teach you joint stock company. What is joint stock company? Joint stock company is an artificial person created by law having a separate legal entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. According to Professor Hane, joint stock company is a voluntary association of individuals for profit having a capital divided into transferable shares, the ownership of which is the condition of membership, is known as joint stock company. In the joint stock company, artificial person created by law having separate legal entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. The person who join in the joint stock company are the member of the joint stock company. Yes, these are the features of joint stock company. First is separate legal existence. What is separate legal existence? A company has a distinct legal entity independent of its members. It can own property, make contracts, and file suits in its own name. Shareholders are not the joint owners of the company's property. Next is perpetual succession. A company is a creation of the law, and only the law can bring an end to its existence. Its life does not depend on the life of its members. The death, insolvency, or lunacy of the members does not affect the life of a company. Next is limited liability. As a company has a separate legal entity, its members cannot be held liable for the debts of the company. The liability of every member is limited to the nominal value of the shares bought by him or to the amount of guarantee given by him. For instance, if a member has 50 shares of rupees 10 each, his liability is limited to rupees 500. And next is transferability of shares. Shares can be transferable. The capital of a company is divided into parts. Each part is called a share. These shares are generally transferable. A shareholder is free to withdraw his membership from the company by transferring his shares. However, in actual practice, some restrictions are placed on the transfer of shares. Next is common seal. What is common seal? Being an artificial entity, a company cannot act and sign itself. Therefore, it acts through human beings. All acts of company are authorized by its common seal. The company seal is affixed on all important documents as a token of the company's approval. Any document which does not bear the common seal of the company is not binding of the company. Next is artificial legal person. What is artificial legal person? A company is an artificial person created by law. It exists only in complaints of law. It is competent to enter into contract and to own property in its own name, but it has no physical body of a natural human being. So, these are the features of the joint stock company: separate legal existence, perpetual succession, limited liability, transferability of shares, common seal, artificial legal persons. These are the features of the joint stock company. Okay, thank you.